What's up guys, Pete from Punchline and Sinker. I'm down here in the Jordan Creek doing some micro fishing with Ivan and your brohead brother Chester from Scumdog Fishing. Check this creek out, man. This is a pretty cool little creek. It's called Jordan Creek, right off Big Creek, and they both lead into the Grand River. It's all bedrock. It's got some deep holes here and there. We're gonna head down and do some micro fishing and see what we can get. Look professional, bro. Did you record? I just did. Oh. Missed all the fly babies.
Fly babies, aka maggots, aka our new single that we're gonna start recording. Maggots in my booty hole. It was coined by my nephew here, Ivan. So we're gonna name the first song of our band Maggots in Your Booty Hole after Ivan, because he's a maggot in our booty hole.
Inspired by maggots busting out of their case in my pockets.
Yes, don't let them crawl into your pockets.
Don't let them fall off the booty hole.
Right.
Nice little spot right here, a little hole, roots and stuff. Man, he cleaned me off. I had a bite right there. Well, you look at their eyes. I hold it this way. See how I'm pinching him? And I hold it that way with the hook facing down like that. Right through his belly. He goes right on. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
Easy peasy, maggot squeezy.
Maggots.
And my bug pop.
Nice. Oh gosh, through his eyeball. Nice. Easy. Creek chub after creek chub. Dude, I had one tiny cast and I already had a bite. If I was you, I'd stand down there and I'd cast up here and ram that through here. I'm not even kidding. That's a good lure. Hey. Little creek chub. All this bedrock here, man. What do you think about gold prospecting down here? I used to run a high banker down in Belleville, part of the GPAA claim, and we used to do pretty good over there. As some of you might know, my buddy Joe Piscack, he was my partner in the gold prospecting, and he passed away. But when he did pass away, I left the gold that we had found with him. He took it with him. So maybe he paid for his ferry with it. Maybe he's holding on to it right now. Maybe he just likes to hear it jingle around. But anyways, let me know if you guys would like to see some of that. Like, I could get back into it when I'm fishing. I could take some time and do some pans just to check these areas like this. You never know when you might find some gold underneath something like that right there. Especially all this stuff sitting right on top of bedrock. Would you guys like to see that? Let me know in the comments. This next cast, do you think there's a fish in there? Would you believe that there's fish in there? How shallow it is? Find out. Nothing. I felt a hit though. It might have been the rock. Try it again from a different angle. I can't get a good cast on it that way. When you're fishing a creek like this, oftentimes it's better to walk upstream as you're going, because as you're walking, you're creating a mud cloud. So if you walk upstream, the cloud's always behind you. Just jig it through there real quick. Yeah, I think I was just hitting rock. Well, they're hitting it. I didn't know if they would hit that crappie rig. Easy peasy. Hit these guys all day long on these crappie rig with a maggot. Fill a bucket, man. Take these guys bass fishing. What do you think? Bass bait?
On by a thread.
Good job, bud.
I'm out of maggots still. I just ran out. Surprised if you want me to fit in. Yeah, literally, whenever I was up here, I just ran it through here. And even I just sat there and ran it through and I caught like 6 of them like that.
Yeah, they're up underneath the branches.
Yeah, because I was catching them all up here and there.
Come back. I'm gonna go. Yeah.
I use your rod, I catch them. Oh, stop it. Got that golden hook.
Yeah, that's a crappie rig.
Look like I'll keep myself. No, I have to put it in between my legs. And then I'll put the reel on it.
I tuck it under my arm. You okay using that one for a few minutes?
That definitely will catch a ton of fish.
I know, this one works good. It's got that little jewel eye. I had better luck when I was standing down there. Right down in this hole. Dang, that's huge.
That's the biggest one I've seen yet today.
Dude, that's a big creek chub.
Big.
Ripping.
Not one of them.
Blue?